So they're still a little damp, but it's fine because I've been patient. I also have some stampy things over here. This one might be, well, perhaps. Now I'm wishing I had a sponge actually because that would look better. Ooh, I also have these. I like these flowers. Hang on. Holy crap. What does that say? You are allowed to be both a masterpiece and a work in progress simultaneously. Thank you, quote. Very cool. I just don't like how sticky these are. Because I thought these were just kind of like little stamp things. We're going to find out. I'm going to see if it works. I'm going to use black because I love black and gold together. I've been kind of obsessed with it lately. I have this one character named Mr. Griffith. He's got like a pumpkin head and crap, so he's pretty cool. But anyways, his whole theme is black and gold. And I didn't intend for it to be that way, but like as I was designing him and I like made this mood board thing for him, and I was looking at the colors and I was like, dang son, black and gold really slap, you know? So, yeah, there's my lore on why I like those colors. Thanks, Mr. Griffith. His is another one that would be cool to like make into a comic, but I don't know. I'm so not confident in my abilities to make comics that I haven't started anything like that yet. I didn't plan out where I wanted this. Ooh, that almost dropped anywhere. You know, someone's probably screaming telling me I'm using the stamp incorrectly. It's fine, don't worry about it. Nice. Actually, I kind of like that. It's fine. And this one's going to be a little more faded. Yes. Gives it a cool little texture. Nice. Good job, me. Less good job of me. Where can I put this? I'm just going to chuck it. Ugh. Okay. What next? Oh, now I can paint another one of these because I moved one of my papers, baby. Except I didn't bring a paper towel in here, so my paintbrush is sopping wet. Nice. What is that? Just a pen mark. Leave it alone. So yeah, I know. Now we're back to, wow, Beth, this is riveting content you have going. I'm sorry. I'm kind of leaving the camera on. I'll probably just end up cutting stuff out because I don't know. Whoa, something cool might happen, you know? Might have Metro Man break through my window. Why Metro Man, you ask? I don't know. He was the first person to pop into my head. I don't know what that says about me. Oh. Gosh, my brain is just so stupid. Like, sometimes I feel like I'm smart, and then I do stuff like this. I'm like, no. You're a weirdo just like everybody else. It's fine. Do you ever worry you don't act your age? I sometimes do, but I'm like, but I don't want... What is my age then? What does that mean? Do all adults have to be boring? Boring and standard? Sorry, that's not me. I'll probably never act my age then if that's what's expected of me. Okay. Now we're back to this, which I'm gonna put more gold on that because I don't like how transparent it still is. I'm putting paint directly on the paper. Don't look. Ugh. I have that painting class tomorrow and I'm not looking forward to it. I still haven't texted that girl's aunt. I know it's gonna be like, I was waiting for you to text and you never did, and I just don't want to deal with it. So much stress over nothing, mind you. It's like, it just feels kind of long, and kids, you know, they're kids, they're just kind of stressful. Not always. I mean, they have their fun moments, but I just get mentally exhausted so quickly. So, does anyone else craft, or you just come here to watch me struggle? Struggle to one, speak, and then secondly, to actually do the thing I say I'm gonna do. Because I know I'm not giving out any kind of tutorial, so that's not why you're here. And if it was, I'm sure you left already, because this isn't what you're looking for. I'm just some nerd talking about random shit while I paint pages gold. What are you all up to with all the COVID stuff going on? I honestly don't do anything exciting. Not that that's very new. As you can tell with the most interesting thing happening to me was me slipping on mud in front of a car, and like, I'm still thinking about it, wondering if the person knew me, and how embarrassed I am that I did that. I probably just I definitely worry too much, but I try not to worry about what people think about me, but you know, stuff like that happens, and then suddenly people are like, oh, that poor girl, she she needs help. She can't even walk on her own. I hate being coddled. So many people want to coddle me too, and I'm just like, I don't want your help. I don't want you talking to me like I'm 2 years old. I just don't need it. Why would anyone want to be talked to like that unless they were 2 years old? Oh, that's stuck. Dang it, arg. Oh, my everything. Well, I messed something up. Where is it? Right there. That was more wet than I thought it was. Okay. Away with you. And okay, I'm gonna stop for now. Holy crap, we're at 40 minutes. I'll get back to you when my paper's more dry. Okay, so I'm back with some paper. This is probably the better of all the other stuff I painted. Could be because it was off camera and I felt less pressured, but this was a bunch of, obviously, like stencils, like obviously all this stuff, stencils. I just tried to like then use my paintbrush to like darken these edges. I really like the grungy look. And this side had a poem in the back, and then I stamped all over it, so yeah, that was probably the best one. And then, I won't show you all these because some of them are just plain. But, back with the stamps. That doesn't have anything on it, but stamps on this side. This messed up using a stamp, and so now I got a weird square block on there, so I don't know what I'll do with that. I'll figure something out. Oh, and this is the one with the roses on the other side. I did more of the little rose designs. Nothing on that side. More stampy things. that's all of these are stampy things. I don't know why I'm holding it so far away. It's not helpful to anyone. Okay, my double-sided gold, same. What happened? I had one cool one I wanted to show you. Where is it? What? Where's my cool page? Oh. This one. So anyway, yeah, I was excited about that. So, there we go. I have a lot of extra whatever I can use this for. It'll just be nice to have. So, moving on. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. I was looking at this, I'm like, did I really glue those upside down? Oh, they're playing cards. There's not an upside down. So I was thinking, it's kind of a shame because I'm going to lose my edge I did here, but I also kind of don't care that much. Where are my scissors? What did I do with them? Oh, here they are. Oh. Yeah, I measure things poorly. I'm just trying to make it work, you know? I don't know how I got 40 minutes out of my last recording. I felt like I wasn't even doing that much, or I didn't do that much. You got to watch me paint paper. How exciting is that? Okay, so obviously I still have this left over, and I can do something else with that. But now I've got this cool thing. By cool thing, I mean cool paper. Oh, I got paint all on the back of that. Well, guess we're decorating this. There it is. Uh-oh, don't like that. Don't like how that's not folding right. Okay, we're fine. Okay, nice. That kind of came unglued, but... I feel like, you know, in that one, the Jim Carrey, the Grinch movie, where he's testing out the sleighs he's making, and he crash dummies the sleigh on his own, and he's like, something about the airbags being like, wait, and he's like, but that's what these tests are for. I feel like that every time I'm crafting and things go wrong. But that's what these tests are for. Except everything keeps going wrong, so does the testing have any real purpose? I was gonna say, I swear I don't talk this bad in real life, but I kinda do. I'm both everywhere and nowhere simultaneously. Okay, so, that aside, now I've got nice decorative paper. And now we're back to, what now? Yeah, would have been good to, like, plan this out a little more before I dove right in. Let's see, maybe I'll end up, like, taping some stuff together because, yeah, that's not long enough. But would it be long enough? Hold on. I know the top was the issue, I just wanted to see if it'd be easier to tape this. Yeah, I could do something like that. But which page do I want to use? And it's like, do I want to use 2 gold, or do I want to switch it up? That's kind of my faded one. I actually kind of like that. I think that's what I'll do. But now tape. I actually have some plain tape in here, and I think I'm just going to go with that, because, wait, how much is on this thing? I don't know, probably enough. We will see. Nothing's laying flat. I'm going to lose it. Instead of trying to do one long piece of tape, I'm just going to tape parts of it together. Because then I can have it like, that's holding it together, and then I can put down my glue easier, and then put down a more solid piece of tape. I feel tired, but for some reason the brain's working a little better today. Oh, that doesn't quite meet up. It's fine. We're gonna make it happen. It will work. It will. Okay. I feel like Kronk. Oh yeah, it's all coming together. Sorry, my entire existence is movie quotes. Or anything quotes. I watch too much YouTube quotes. I had my sister tell me once, she's like, you sound like Markiplier. And I was like, I wish I could just sound like normal, just for once. I don't even mean to do stuff like that, and I just, apparently I come across that way. I guess sounding like Markiplier is better than sounding like Timmy's dad, which I've gotten that many a time from my siblings. That and the aardvark, which, oh, please tear. I don't know if you've ever watched The Ant and the Aardvark. I think that's just what it was called. Super old cartoon, older than me, I believe. I don't remember how I found that. Oh, Boomerang on Cartoon Network, I'm pretty sure. That's where I would watch it. Stupid tape. Anyway, yeah. You know that aardvark with the super deep voice? Yeah, that's who I get referred to as. They're like, no, it's just, you know, the way you talk sometimes. I'm like, oh, you mean just like the way I talk? The way I sound normally? Whatever. If you have siblings, you know the pain. My sister's also said I remind her of Chowder, and I'm like, he's only the dumbest character on that show, but, you know, thank you. Thank you for that. She was trying to tell me it's because he was funny, and I'm like, yeah, okay. He's still the stupidest character on there, so that doesn't change anything. Same with Timmy's dad. I'm like, thanks. The only one dumber than him would be Cosmo. Actually, I don't even know about that. They're about on the same playing field. Are they still making Fairly Odd Parents? Like, is that still a thing? I don't have cable anymore, and I know it was kind of going on for a while. It's not, obviously not as long as SpongeBob, but I thought they were still making episodes, but I haven't watched in a while to know for sure. I know after the Poof episodes, like, it really started to go downhill. So I don't even know if anyone was watching it anymore after that. Not that anyone cares about my commentary on cartoons, but there you have it. Yes. So I guess I should let that dry. Don't cut it right now. Even though I really want to. Don't do it. Oh, I had pages to decorate. Because these, well, the envelopes are probably fine. I probably don't need to decorate those. Yeah, I'm not even gonna think about that. These, however, I think they need something. And I'm not liking that the glitter's getting absolutely everywhere. Oh, there's a whole nother glitter page in that one. Okay, so, whoo, I almost tipped over my stand. Shoot, what was I gonna say? Oh, my paper is getting wrinkled in the back. No. I think I might have mentioned this already, but, you know, this is really dark, so without a gel pen, you can't really write on it. So, that's another place some of this stuff can come in handy. I'm personally really fond of this one, but for the person I'm giving this to, probably shouldn't add that in there. I'm gonna have to make a spooky one next. Spooky journal. And I know the lettering's upside down, but I kind of like how that looks. Maybe I will... Okay, I'm gonna try something here. Kind of like that. That looks kind of cool. But it needs something else, because I don't want to leave it just... What about one of these weird... Like a could do that, and then I could put a strip on here, and then this could be like a little tucked in thing. Yeah, I know, I'm really good at talking. Oh, I got glue sticks, which I know I just talked about how they don't work for me, but hang on. Here's the thing, I hate all my pages looking wrinkly, and I just want to figure this out. And I wonder if it's one of those, maybe I need a more heavy-duty glue stick of some kind. That didn't, I hate how these open. Yeah, just shred to pieces entirely. That's exactly what I want. Okay. I know, it's like, why did you paint both sides of these if you're gluing some of them down? I don't know, just in case. In case I did what I did with the other one where I was taping it. Okay. Don't fail me now. Yeah, that just looks so much nicer than tacky glue. Now, key is making sure it doesn't peel up. Sorry. As you all know, I would be very angry if it peeled up. You know, a stamp would be cute on here, but what kind of stamp? I thrifted this for $3. Kind of like this one. Maybe we'll do these. You can't really see them, but these. I know you're thinking, how are you going to stamp on dark paper? Well, as you just saw me pull out, I have paint. So I'm just gonna do that. Should I use paint on stampers like this? I don't know, maybe not. We're about to find out. You know, with warm soapy water, it's all gonna wash off and it'll be fine. I'd say trust my process, but I don't know what I'm doing either, so never mind. Oops. Well, it kind of works. Too much paint, don't do that, don't glop it on there. Yeah, it looks alright. I mean, it gives it that little extra, well, extraness. So it doesn't look so boring. And then also by doing this, I feel like it kind of brings the page together, so it doesn't just look like, you know, I slapped paper on there and, there we go. I don't know, it just blends more somehow. I'm gonna go over here. Probably shouldn't be, I should probably, no, I was gonna say, I should probably keep this horizontal, like, straight, since it's, like, cursive lettering. Why did you do that? But, yeah, anyhow. Don't know where I was going with that. Don't ever know where I'm going with anything. Okay, do I still want to add this one? Yeah. Don't ask me why I, like, ghost did that on the paper. I don't know, I was just thinking. I know, I need more things to talk about. I just get like all focused and then I forget I'm recording. I'm like, oh, it's still there. You're still there. Does anyone else struggle to stay organized? I know I've kind of talked about this already, but like, I've tried cleaning the craft space, any craft space I have, and I just, it's inevitable. Things just fall apart. Everything's in disarray. I feel like it's the only way I can focus, though. I thrive in the chaos of my creative, well, mess, I guess. Yeah, I'm adding this paint on here going, wonder if I should maybe not be doing this to my stampers. Okay, I'm going to stop that there. And actually I'm thinking tape would be cute on here. Yeah. So there you can, no, you can't really see it. Whatever. Gold tape. Gold tape. Ugh. I hate having to try to find the end of said tape. What the heck? Oh wait, there it is, there it is. And I know I said I was gonna add a thing here so I can, like a little, not a pocket, but a slip. Which I still might, maybe I can still do that. We'll see. I kind of want to do some more stuff with my artwork here, but I don't know. There's something about once I start recording my creative process, like I'm super aware that I'm recording, and it's like, oh no, people are watching me, even though no one's watching me yet. And then it is stressful in its own way. It's like when someone watches over your shoulder and you can't draw anymore. You're like, nope, it's gone. All my talent has vanished. That's how I feel recording myself drawing. Because then you have to see my process, and I don't want anyone to see my process. It's kind of how I feel doing this. Because again, don't know what I'm doing. It's like the other paper I did cool grungy stuff on, because I was like, I'm just gonna mess around. And I know it's like, you could be messing around with this one. I know, but now you're watching me. It's not the same. Yeah, I just dumped that in the water too. Didn't. Why did you do that? Yeah, and see, what I'm about to do is, again, just all me messing around, experimenting. This probably won't even look good. Or it might look great. I just don't know. After my cool grungy one, I'm just like, texture. Need me some more with that. Of course, if I paint under the stencil, that's not gonna look right. Yeah, see that? No! Okay, maybe if I overlap it, it'll kind of balance that out. Oh, that was a whole blob of paint. Sick. Yeah, see, I need to not use the edge part, because that's what makes it look not very crisp. I mean, it doesn't look awful, but it could be better. Okay, so nextly, what is nextly? You know, I did have this clear thingy. That'd be cool if I could make that a pocket. Maybe I'll try that. That's actually, ooh, that is a good idea. Good idea, me. And then I say that, and then all hell breaks loose. Bad idea, me. Bad idea. I almost flipped that over. It's clear. You don't need to flip it. Just stay over there for a second. I'm so busy. Okay. Tacky glue should dry clear, so like it shouldn't be an issue that you can see the glue right now. Oh no, it will be an issue if it's right there. Oh, you will totally see that. Well, I think that worked out pretty well, actually. I guess I should show you with my clear pocket on there. It's usually how it goes when I make things. Everything's going wrong! Oh, that actually looks pretty good. Okay. I feel like I should have more stuff out, like I should... Maybe I need... Oh, what do I need? Give it to me. Oh, that's right. Ugh. I brought some material in here. Could I use any of this? What could I do with it? Excuse me. Sorry, this is why I do stuff like this off camera usually. I'm like, Get the vision. Feel the vision. I could make a pocket, or could I do something collage-y? Because that might look kind of cute. Maybe. No, I don't like it. What else do I have? I thought I had a strip of gold. I sure do. It's not really a strip, but you know. No, I'm not really feeling anything with that either. Okay, I tell you what, I'm not thinking any of those are gonna work for me. I do have miscellaneous stuff I've cut out of magazines that I think would be cool to use, or like I have leftover paper I could probably do something with. That might be cool. Maybe. That might be cute. I'll leave that out for a second while I continue to where I was here. Hopefully you can't see some of the stuff in here, right? I'll have to cut it out if you do, it's fine. Don't worry about it. No. Got all these cool pictures of people that I don't really know what to do with. Like that'd be cool somewhere else. Should I keep that out actually? I think I'm gonna put that down here, so I don't have to dig around to find it again. Random words, none of which are calling to me. Something like this. I kind of don't want to completely cover up the paper because it looks cool. Okay, I'm seeing something. Probably. Don't fold it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this key thing. Where is it's right here. I know, my entire creative life summed up. Where's the, oh, there it is. Although I know I've said that before. This is why I hate glue sticks. Oh, crinkled the page! No! When did I tell you to do that? Never. I never even brought it up, so don't. I'm already, like, feeling at my wit's end, like I'm gonna have to stop. But I have so much I need to finish. And I still wanted to put a junk journal up on my Etsy, and I still feel like that's not gonna happen. So it's like, might as well put something else on your Etsy, but what? I I guess I have some art prints, but I feel like who cares about art prints? Unless, like, I was famous and people were like, oh my gosh, half-built art prints. But, like, if you don't know me, if you don't know my characters, then honestly, what's the point? Nobody gives a shit. Which is understandable, I mean, whatever. Do I look like a famous artist to you? The answer would be no. Can't remember if I actually had that centered on the page like that, but it's too late to glue it down. We are stuck with our decisions. Okay. So back to regular stickers, which I should look at getting more because I don't really have any interesting ones. Also, I'd kind of like spooky ones or something, because these are all super colorful, which isn't bad, but I just, you know, don't know if I'm feeling it. I have some affirmations here. That might be cute actually to put on. Maybe? Maybe. I don't know. I don't think I like it centered like that. Nah. What else? Ooh, I kind of like these food ones. But would they look cute on this page? Actually, they might. I kind of like that. I might just sprinkle those everywhere. Yeah. Let's move the bucket, dude. Okay. I know I feel the most at my wit's end when I'm doing crafty things I should be enjoying, and really I'm just like going insane. Ooh, that's too close to the binding, don't do that. Yes, tomato ketchup. I like this weird looking bear. Come on, don't make me wait. Don't want to. Ah, yeah, get glue all over your finger. Now, where do I want this? I'm gonna put it down here. Now, where's the writing room on this page, you may be asking? Well, I don't rightly know. If one desires, they can write here. I will leave some space and not put stickers everywhere like I want to. Sometimes the junk journal thing, I do like to have just a few sort of, oh, these are just cute little pages for inspiration or whatever. In case you're wondering, oh, why I'm putting glue on the stickers, it's just to ensure they don't come off. I want to make sure they're down for good. I don't know what this is, oops, but I'm gonna use it. It just looks like a slug in a taco shell to me. Okay, what else do I want to put on here? Sweet biscuit. Hell yeah. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, I don't want to drop it. Make sure it's not upside down, imbecile. I'm gonna do one more. Maybe. I don't know why this clock has devil horns, but I'm gonna use that. Not because it has devil horns, but just because I was like, oh, neat. We have our stickers, we have our decoration. Can't leave this hanging. Okay. So that gave us a little flare. Let's put that over here. Ugh. Be nice if it wasn't cold in every room. Oh, wait, I'd have to cut off her shoe. But it looks so cool. Okay. I'm gonna leave it there. Maybe it'll kind of hang out of the book, but that'll be fine. I like how it looks. Next. I was considering stamping something else on here. Maybe... I don't know. I kind of really like these. Not that one. I can't do that right. But I don't know. I kind of have a lot of on the page already, and I don't want to push my luck. So I won't. Maybe I'll just leave it like this. Even though I feel like it's missing something. Maybe I'll give you a little peek at it. Okay. So, how many pages am I at, actually? I just wish I could talk. Just once. Okay. That's one thing. 1, 2, 4. That's a signature. Okay, I think I need 3 more pages. Sorry, processes. Just everything is everywhere. Which I know I've kind of already said, but I feel like I'll be apologizing endlessly for it. Okay. So now, where is my sample page? Where did it go? Please tell me I put it in the stack. Please. Oh, why am I like this? Oh no, I have another one of these. To decorate another one. Okay, it's fine. You can do this. Everything is fine. Oh. Oh. Boom, found it. Why was it in the middle? I don't know. But that's cool stuff on both sides. Well, that's debatable, that part. But I like how these look. Maybe I won't. Because the other one already has the flower stamped on it anyhow. This just has like a little quote on it, and the "You're braver than you know." Kind of like that. That'd be a cute quote to put on there. Maybe I'll do that. If you pull it and tear towards you, you can get more of the, like the white ripped edges, which is what I like. You know, I should plan out this whole page before I start gluing stuff down, but who wants to do that? Not me. Not at this current moment. I honestly just wanted to finish, I wanted to finish this book up tonight, but the way I'm feeling right now, I don't know if I'm going to want to sew any pages together. I don't feel awful, it's just like this weird lightheaded thing I have going on. I'm like, oh, I think I need to stop. I hate stopping. Waste of time. Oh, don't test me. Okay, Okay, no, I was just talking about how I didn't like the zigzags, but... Nope, I lied. I'm not using that yet. What else do I have? Too much to even think about. Yeah, see, had I been thinking, you know, that would look cool underneath, but it's too late. Why do I do this to myself? Maybe I could make a really long, not a pocket, but you know, the slip, just slip a paper in there. I will, I'll do that. Don't have to ask me twice. Another random adventure of mine, which is not really an adventure, but for anyone who has Instagram, do you get like those weird emails like, don't you want to partner with us, or something like that, something along those lines? Well, I got an email like that yesterday, and I was like, my Instagram's deactivated. So here I was kind of worrying that someone hacked into my dead Instagram for who knows what. So I had to check with my sister. I was like, can you check for my Instagram and make sure it's not there? I completely put that not where I wanted it. This is why I don't talk and do things. Guess who's making this a pocket now? Anyways, so good news, Instagram's not up anymore. And maybe I'm just like signed up to some email of theirs that I didn't agree to, and they sign you up for them anyways, and that's how they found me. Or I was, well, not found me, you know, if I'm already signed up, then it's just like, oh, there's someone on our mailing list, let's harass them. So anyway, that was something I was kind of worrying about today. Not like big time worrying, but just a little, because I'm like, my name is still on that page, and I don't want people, like, thinking, like, they'd probably know if I was hacked, but if my page was hacked, I definitely wouldn't want to leave it up, you know? So I probably should still find a way to delete it. There's part of me that doesn't want to, because I'm like, what if I want to go back to Instagram someday and post my art again? Because, you know, there's some aspects I miss about Instagram. Like, you know, I liked sharing my art there, but it sounds petty, but I had next to nobody liking my stuff. Like, I had about 600 followers, but I don't know if people just didn't see my stuff, or, like, I just had dead followers in general, but I'd only get, like, 30 likes per picture, and I don't know why it stressed me out so much. It's kind of like the reason I deleted DeviantArt, you know, I end up following too many people, I have too much in my feed, I have too many, like, I try to be consistent commenting on certain people's stuff because I want to be supportive, but then it just becomes overwhelming, and it's one of those things where I feel like I take on more than I can handle, and, like, nobody asked me to do that, but it's one of those things that's kind of like common courtesy. I feel like if they're commenting on all my stuff, I want to be able to do the same for them. But I just couldn't keep up, and it was stressing me out, and there was little to no payoff since no one was really liking my stuff anyway. And so I just was like, I have to drop it, because it was low-key, like, making me sad. Which sounds so stupid. It's just a dumb website, but when all you want is to just, like, share your art and have people comment on it, or just like it and be like, oh, nice job, whatever, you know. And then to just have nothing, I don't know, it was really, really demotivating. And I'm like, this is not what art is about, and I need to let this go. And so I did. So now I just use Twitter, where my expectations are already low. And then I can just kind of post freely, post whatever I want. Because that was the other thing about Instagram. I felt like I had to post something of quality every single time to even have a chance of being noticed on the page, on any pages. the explore page or showing up in my followers feed, and I don't know, it was just so stressful. I'm like, I'd rather be at a place where there's like little to no expectations, and in part I know nobody cares, and I'm kind of just posting for myself and then it's fine. So that's kind of what Twitter has become for me. Oh, look at that splotchy in the middle. Boo. Okay, now we have to cover up our mistake. Oh, why do I do this? Okay, focus. I could do a sticker. I feel like I don't have any stickers that really match this the way I want. I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh, that's green. Ew. I saw cool glittery paper and then, you know, it's just, not if it's green. Yuck. So much scrapped paper. Don't look. Don't look at it. I actually, there's also somebody at the library who knows I make homemade paper, which I haven't done in a while just because homemade paper is almost a job in itself. Like, when I do it, I want to make use of my time and all my stuff, just because it takes so long for it to dry and to put it all together. Like, I want to do as much as I can, and that's just, you know, it's a lot. So like 4 hours of work going into homemade paper. Anyway, that being said, there is someone at the library who likes to give me paper because she knows I will, you know, make stuff with paper. So I have all these paper scraps, but ooh, these look like little tags. That might be, the silver one might be cute. Yes, I can put it right there. That'll be perfect. Or there is, no, I don't like the blue. Yeah, I'm gonna go with silver. Okay, I'm gonna stop for now. Either you'll see more progress or I'll just show you the book when it's all done, because here I am, I've recorded almost an hour. I didn't even know I was sitting here that long. So, thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye. Here's the finished book. I might add, I don't know, maybe a button or something so I can wrap twine around this. Not that it needs it, but it's just really junky. Okay, keep it in the center. So, it's one of those I feel like I put hours of work into it, and for what? It feels like less than the time I put into it. Oh, I cannot turn the page. Oh. And this, my little pockets. I think I already showed you that, so you know what's up with that one. That. Oh, I'm skipping so many pages. Mickey Mouse one. More blank writing space. And I'm thinking about putting something in these envelopes because I have not done that yet. Pages I decorated. That one with my nice clear pocket. And this, I forgot I also made that a pocket, so I should put something in there as well. Ooh. This one, which I actually like a lot. I don't know why, but I think because it kind of makes me laugh. This person actually reminds me of one of my cousins. Oops. My little tag page. And that's it. So, thank you for following me on my junk journal journey here. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.